This plastic outmuscles metal and laughs at 250 degrees Celsius. Imagine a plastic so strong it can survive temperatures hotter than a kitchen oven, replace metal inside airplanes, and even be implanted inside the human body. Yet, it's not steel, not titanium. It's plastic, and companies are willing to pay hundreds of dollars per kilogram just to use it. Today, we are uncovering the strongest plastic in the world and why engineers are replacing metal with it. For decades, metals like steel and aluminum dominated engineering, cars, airplanes, industrial machines, almost everything relied on metal. Why? Because metals are strong and can survive extreme conditions, but metals have a major problem. They're heavy, and in industries like aerospace, every extra kilogram increases fuel consumption. Even a small weight reduction can save millions of dollars in fuel over the lifetime of an aircraft. So engineers began searching for something revolutionary, a material that is light like plastic but strong like metal. That search led to an incredible material called PEEK. PEEK stands for Polyether Ether Ketone. At first glance, it looks ordinary, small beige plastic pellets, but once processed, it becomes one of the most powerful engineering materials ever developed. PEEK can survive temperatures of 250 degrees Celsius continuously. Its melting point is around 343 degrees Celsius, and its strength can approach that of some metals. But here's the surprising part: it weighs less than half as much as aluminum. Part 3. The secret is in the molecules. The reason PEEK is so strong lies in its molecular structure. Most plastics have flexible chains that easily bend or break, but PEEK contains rigid aromatic rings in its structure. These rings act like tiny steel frames inside the material. They create a strong backbone that resists heat, chemicals, and mechanical stress. This combination gives PEEK its incredible properties: strength, heat resistance, and extreme durability. Tech. Part 4. Used in aircraft. One industry that loves PEEK is aerospace. Aircraft manufacturers are always trying to reduce weight. Even a small reduction can dramatically improve fuel efficiency. That's why engineers replace metal parts with PEEK components such as brackets, cable insulation, bearings, structural supports. The result? Lighter aircraft, better performance, and lower fuel consumption, all thanks to a plastic. Ether. Part 5. Used inside the human body. Perhaps the most fascinating use of PEEK is in medicine. Doctors use it to manufacture spinal implants, orthopedic devices, surgical instruments. Why? Because PEEK is biocompatible. That means the human body does not reject it. Even more interesting, PEEK has a stiffness similar to human bone, which makes implants more comfortable for patients. In other words, a plastic originally developed for engineering is now helping save lives. Part 6. Extreme environments. PEEK also thrives in environments where most plastics would instantly fail. It resists high temperatures, harsh chemicals, radiation, and mechanical wear. That's why it's used in chemical plants, oil drilling equipment, industrial pumps, and compressors. These machines operate in extreme conditions, but PEEK keeps performing. Part 7. The shocking price. With all these incredible properties, you might wonder, why don't we use PEEK everywhere? The answer is simple. PEEK costs $300–500 per kilogram because failure isn't an option. That's hundreds of times more expensive than common plastics like polyethylene or polypropylene. Because of this, manufacturers only use it when performance truly matters. But when failure is not an option, PEEK becomes the perfect material. Part 8. The future of superplastics and PEEK might just be the beginning. Scientists are developing next-generation polymers that are even stronger, lighter, and more heat-resistant. These materials could soon replace metals in electric vehicles, spacecraft, medical technology, and advanced robotics. The future of engineering might not be built from steel, but from superplastics. So the next time you hear the word plastic, don't think of something weak, because some plastics are strong enough to replace metal, survive extreme heat, and even live inside the human body. And PEEK is leading that revolution. Welcome back to our channel, UG Moltech. Subscribe for more mind-blowing materials and engineering breakthroughs. And I'll see you in the next video.